Go to Madurai, Dr. Nachiyappan house. We went there and performed Pada Puja there. After that, went to Arupukottai, Chandrasekhar, Sasirega Chandrasekhar house. And Tutukurin also. By the way, we will reach Kani Madam. Bhagavan Paduka sat on the elephant. Warm reception was given by the boys and girls as well as the senior people at Kani Madam and performed Pada Puja there. Such a powerful Paduka of Paramurul Yogi Ram Sutrakumar. That is at Kani Madam. Pada Pujaigal